All right, we just had our Ice Bear Gen 5 arrive. It's still in the cage over here, and that was the cardboard that was wrapped around it from the Ice Bear. So we're going to start our PDI, and we'll catch you guys up. Okay, you guys, so we're going to break this puppy out of the cage. This is the MADDOG Gen 5 150cc from Ice Bear. Got Adam here today. He's going to do the full PDI, so we'll keep you guys updated as we progress. All right, we are progressing on the MADDOG, slowly releasing this dog out of its cage. Now you can see how well it's wrapped up. We still have the bottom base of the cage, so keep you guys updated. Okay, you guys, we got all the protective wrapping off this MADDOG. Adam, he's just put the handlebars here in position on the riser. He's tightening that puppy up. You can see how it looks. This entire area was wrapped up in bubble wrap. You guys saw that earlier on the earlier shot here. And this is the front fender. Comes with these cool looking round mirrors here. And this is part of the hardware, the manual over here. Yep, keep your parts, your hardware organized, you guys. Always remember that. Keep that organized. Super cool looking, man. Gen 5. Look at that. This thing is a Lowrider limo. Got the gas tank down here. All right, man. We'll keep you guys updated. All right, you guys. Keeping you updated on this. You can see we got it out of the cage fully. Removed the base of that cage. Got it on a jack. This may be the way you guys want to do it. What do you think so far, Adam?
It looks cool.
The fit and finish, I mean, it's pretty raw, man. Pretty raw. Really cool. Really like it. Front fender. You got the hardware that's pre-attached. Adam's loosening that up so we can mount that front fender. You guys, so here's an update. We got the front wheel on. As you can see, there's a magnetic speedo sensor. So pretty cool to have that instead of the standard mechanical style. And then keep in mind your battery, you have to open up. You guys can see the prior video. You have to open up this housing over here, and this is where your battery is going to be sitting right here. That's where your battery will be sitting, right in there, you guys. Ice Bear MADDOG Gen 5. All the rest of the MADDOGs are pretty much the same as well. So you can see Adam, he's placing that battery in there. This area is very fragile, you guys, so you want to take your time. All right, as you can see that Adam is closing up the box here, that housing area. He just installed the battery. So you're going to loosen these screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's one down here on the bottom, and then one on the other side, you guys, as you can see. That'll allow you to remove the housing here on this side here and install that battery. Before you close it up, though, test the battery, test all the switches. All right, you guys can see it has one of those security functions, these tampering lock features over here, and then you have this feature right here to open it up. So very typical on some of the other scooters like the Tank and other brands. So you use this here to open it up. So you got to put on the rear fender. You got the oil fill and oil check over here on this side. Nice looking exhaust. So we're getting pretty close to starting this puppy up. Pretty cool decal over here. MADDOG. Again, this is the Gen 5, you guys. You got the manufacturer information here, as shown. All right, to the audience, giving you another update. As you can see, a center stand is not included on the MADDOGs. As you can see, it has a kickstand. Right now, we have it on the stand right now, as shown. It's coming along. We're going to install that rear fender. It's coming along, real nice looking. Let's get an up close here of the exhaust muffler and the cooling fan. Pretty cool. Definitely, I would call this a novelty ride, or it could be your daily driver. I mean, it's either or. No storage on it, so you're gonna have to carry a backpack, throw a backpack on. Saddlebags won't work because it's too low, but it's just, it's really fun. Looks like a lot of fun to ride. It's a 150. So check your state requirements. Most states, you do need a motorcycle endorsement to ride this legally on the street, you guys. These do come in 50s too, so those of you that just want little 50 horsepower with 1.8, 1.9 brake horsepower. In most states, you don't need a license. In other states, you just need a car license. In the state of Nevada, you do need a car license. Insurance is currently optional. You must wear a helmet. And top speeds generally on the 50s are about 30 to 33 miles per hour. They approximately get about 100 miles to the gallon, maybe just shy on these models here, is just shy of that. So you can see Adam there, he's mounting the brackets for the fender. All right, so he installed the mounting brackets on the rear fender. As you can see, there's one here, right over here, then one there. And this is where you want to mount it to.
And there's one down here somewhere.
Down here as well, correct?
Yep, that's what this is for.
Gotcha. So this is your hardware, you guys, that comes with it. And that's the other one over there. So that's going to be in your hardware kit. So notice it does have a kickstart lever here as well. Like this Ice Bear logo right here on the riser, top of the riser. All right, so we got the rear fender mounted, and this is the license plate holder here. And where does it go, Adam?
It goes right here and right here where these two holes are.
Okay. Got that air valve here on the adjustable rear shock. Nicely set up. All right, we do want to show you where the seat latch is, you guys. This does lift up here, as you can see. Not much storage. You definitely don't want to call it storage, but you can see this right here. It's closes down like this. Then what do you do, Adam?
No, you gotta actually stick your finger right where the bracket's at.
Okay.
And then it should unlatch it.
Push it to the side and then unlatch
Push it in first, lock it, seat lock, stick your finger in right where the bar is, and pull up.
All right, little lesson for you guys. All right, so we're gonna do the tire pressure right now. You guys can check out the lighting over here. Has your gas gauge over here. You have the RPM, speedo, trip meter, odometer, LEDs.
You haven't screwed it in.
Lights up real well. Nice looking. Like the lighting on it. What's the PSI there in the front?
32.
32 in the front. GY6 150, you guys. Right, last but not least, we're going to do the side view mirrors. This is the box it came in. Right over here. That's what it's going to look like when you guys order one. They're installed as shown. Using an Allen wrench, right?
Yep.
Switches here on the left side of the handlebar. Switches, pretty typical. Switches. You've seen a lot of scooters. Alright, so we got Adam taking the completed assembly for a test drive. It's the MADDOG by iSpare Gen 5 150 GY6. Lights up real nice. Come back towards me. You guys are looking for something really cool, slick. This will be it right here. The iSpare Gen 5 150 GY6. There's a night ride. You guys can see how bright all the lights are. Throw on all those signals there, Adam.
So the signals are right here on the side. And then on this one, it's in the rear tail light.
Okay, so we got the right side. The right rear. Let's do the other side. Wow, you guys, that's